Statistics, Modeling, and Finance. Chapter 1, Statistics, page 24. Graphic Analysis. Graphic analysis. One of the simplest forms of descriptive statistics is graphic analysis. Graphic analysis is defined as quantitative techniques used to identify and measure adjustments to the sale prices of comparable properties, a variant of statistical analysis in which an appraiser interprets graphically displayed data visually or through curve fit analysis. Graphs can also be used to support and exhibit value trends for comparison elements in qualitative analysis. First, you plot characteristics of a number of sales on a graph. You may employ straight line analysis or curvilinear analysis, depending on the characteristics of the data. Usually, the unit sale price is plotted on the vertical or y-axis, and the element of comparison is plotted on the horizontal or x-axis. See the next pages for examples. Let's start with a simple but powerful tool for visual analysis. This is easy to initiate and could be helpful to you. Most of you have access to multiple listing services or other data banks. Let's just plot the average or median sale prices of properties in a market area every month for a year. Most MLS systems report such data. Look at the line chart below. Median sale prices. On the low end, they start out at 200,000, and then the high end, 250,000. And then it's January through December on the bottom. In January, they were 210,000. In February, they were 218,000. In March, they were $222,800. In April, they dipped down to 220,000. In May, they shot up to 225,000. June, they shot up to 230,000. July, they shot up to 235,000. And August, they shot up to 240,000. Then they dipped back down a bit to 238,000. Then up to 239,000. Back up to 240,000. And ultimately ending in December at $245,000. If you wanted to make an adjustment for change in market conditions for a comparable sale that sold in March but is now October, you can't find a perfect matched pair. You could resort to the chart. The median sale price in March was $228,800, and the median sale price in October was $239,000. Divide 239,000 by 222,800, and the result is 1.07, or an increase of 7%. You could do the same for any 2 months on the chart. If a lender or client asks you for justification or support for an adjustment for market conditions, this should be convincing evidence. You could also create other charts that would focus more tightly on the subject property. You could chart sales of 3-bedroom homes or homes in a zip code or census tract. Or you could chart just condo sales or sales of new homes. End of page. Page 25. Graphic analysis continued. Here's an instance where a chart could really be important. Take a look at the chart below. It starts out on the low end of 180,000 up to 220,000 on the high end. This is median sales price. Suppose you are appraising a property in November and you are looking to adjust a comparable that sold in April. If you just looked up the two median prices, you will learn that the median price in April was $193,000 and the median price in November was $201,000. If you do the math, that would indicate a price increase of 4%. One might include that the market is going up nicely. But looking at the trend line on the chart would show that the market peaked in August and is on substantial downswing. You should investigate why it has changed. Are there changes in the local economy? What is happening to marketing times? What if you were doing a retrospective appraisal for an estate? The date of the report is December, but the effective date of value was August. Your comps sold in January, March, and April. If you just looked at median prices for each of those months as compared to August, you would be painting a rosy picture of a steadily improving market. But if you charted the prices for the whole year, they might tell a different story. End of page.